Imagine walking into a room and adjusting the lighting with just a tap or a simple phrase. That's the power of smart bulbs, modern lighting for a smarter home. A smart bulb is a Wi-Fi or Bluetooth-enabled light that connects directly to your smartphone or smart home system. Unlike regular bulbs, smart bulbs don't just turn on and off. They let you personalize brightness, color, and schedules, all from an app or your voice. Let's start with app control. Download the Smart Bulbs Companion app, connect the bulb to your home's Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. Through the app, you can change the color to suit your mood, dim the lights for movie night, or create automatic routines like turning lights on as the sun sets. You're in control, all from your phone wherever you are. Now imagine taking it a step further. With voice control, you don't need your phone at all. Link your bulbs to a voice assistant like Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. Say, "Turn on the living room lights," and your smart bulbs respond instantly. Whether your hands are full or you're just relaxing, lighting revolves around you. Why make the switch? Smart bulbs offer convenience, energy savings, and endless possibilities for customizing your space. They simplify your routines and make your home feel more responsive. No more fumbling for switches or worrying if you left the lights on. Curious about upgrading your home with smart bulbs? Now you know how simple, powerful, and convenient this technology can be. Your next step: try it and experience lighting that truly listens.